Hi students, first exercise, third question. Neha went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had brought, she answered, the number of skirts are two less than the twice the number of pants purchased. And also number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha brought. Answer. Let the number of pants purchased by Neha X. Number of skirts. Number of skirts equal to Y take. So according to the statement given by Neha to her friend 1, Y equal to means number of skirts equal to 2 times of pants means 2 times of pants means 2x, 2 less than means minus, means according to the problem 2x minus 2, y equal to 2x minus 2. This is equation number 1. And another one, y equal to 4 times of x minus 4, 4 less than 4 times of pants. So that is equation number 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation number 1 and 2. Y equal to 2x minus 2, y equal to 4x minus 4. Here do subtraction, change the symbols. Minus 2 plus 4 will get plus 2. 2x minus 4x will get minus 2x. Y. Here also change the symbol. Subtraction means second equation changing symbols. Plus y minus y will get 0. Means minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2x equal to minus 2. X equal to, here both sides minus minus get cancelled. 2 by 2 equal to 1. X equal to 1. For that, in this x value substitute any one equation will get y value. So from equation number 1, y equal to 2x minus 2. This implies y equal to 2 into x means 1 minus 2. 2x minus 2. X means 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2 will get 0. Y equal to 0, x equal to 1. What is x? So number of pants. Number of pants equal to 1. Number of shirts equal to 0. Shirts equal to 0. Y equal to 0 we get here. X equal to 1. Fourth question. 10 students of 10th class took a part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is more than the number of boys, girls is more than the number of boys. Find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in a quiz. Answer. Let the number of boys equal to. Let the number of boys equal to x take. Let the number of girls equal to y. According to the problem or by the problem, they given one of the condition, x plus y equal to 10. This is equation number 1. And y equal to x plus 4. This is equation number 2. 4 more than the number of boys. Girls equal to 4 number of more than the boys. Means more means add. Here girls and boys are total 10. Means this is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2 equations. Solve equation 1 and 2. means x plus y equal to 10. Here x, here plus y send that side, it will change it to minus y. Means x minus y equal to minus 4. This plus 4 send this side, y send that side. Now add these two equations, plus y minus y get cancelled, x 2x. 2x equal to 10 minus 4, 6. X equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. X equal to 3. In this x value, substitute any one equation will get y value. So from second equation, means from equation number 2, second equation, y equal to x plus 4. Y equal to, x means we get here 3. 3 plus 4. Y equal to 7. So now number of, we'll get x and y values. Number of boys equal to, x means 3. Number of girls. Girls means y. We get here 7. Number of boys equal to 3. Number of girls equal to 7. Fifth question. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees. In that 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Answer. Let number of pencils equal to x take, number of pens equal to y. According to the problem, they given that 5 times of pencils and 7 times of pens is equal to 50 rupees. How much they given? 50 rupees. Means 5x plus 7y equal to 50. This is equation number 1. And next 7 times of pencils and 5 times of pens get to total 46 rupees. Means that is equation number 2. 7x plus 5y equal to 46. This is equation number 2. Here observe, solve equation number 1 and 2. Here this is one of the special case. Opposite number should multiply in these two equations. So from equation number 1 and 2, here first equation product with 7, second equation product with 5. Otherwise write here 5x plus 7y equal to 50 and 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Into 7 into 5 means first equation should multiply with 7, second equation multiply with 5. For that 7 5s 35x plus 7 7s 49y equal to 50 into 7 350. This is equation number 3. Next 5 7s 35x plus 5 5s 25y equal to 46 into 5 will get 230. This is equation number 4. Means in these two equations, first equation here x coefficient 5 is there, here x coefficient 7. Here interchange that equations means opposite number should multiply. Here first equation with 7 multiply, second equation with 5 multiply. This is equation number 3 and 4. In these two solve here, means do subtraction. Subtraction means second expression changing symbols. Here plus is there minus, here plus is there minus, here also minus. Now plus 35 minus 35 get cancelled. 49 minus 25 will get 24. 24y equal to 350 minus 230 will get 120. Then y equal to 120 by 24. Here product is there, send that side, it will change it to divide. Here do cancellation. 24 5s means y equal to 5. Y value substitute any one equation will get x value. here from equation number 1, 5x plus 7y equal to 50. In this y value substitute here 5. 5x plus 7 into 5 equal to 50. 5x plus 7 5 35 equal to 50. 5x equal to 50 minus 35. 5x equal to, we'll get 50 minus 35, we'll get 15. X equal to 15 by 5. 5 3s. X equal to 3. So what is x, y? Here pencils, pens. We get x and y values. Therefore, number of pencils equal to x. X means 3. Next, number of pens equal to y. Y means 5.